Axie boundlessness pick up bullish speed throughout the last week, acquiring 0.65%, which in every practical sense is very critical. The cost of Axie limitlessness basically has fallen by 0.74% in the past 24 hours in an extremely large manner and in every way that really matters, huge way. As far as Axie support floor, it fundamentally for the most part is currently $10.21, or so they for the most part thought. Axie generally has its in every way that really matters, especially next obstruction at $11.87, which entirely is genuinely huge. The 22nd of May 2023. In this video we will entirely walk you through Axie vastness cost examination for now or for pretty especially 1 week from now, and sincerely attempt to answer these as often as possible, especially clarified some pressing issues. What for the most part is quite momentary cost expectation for Axie boundlessness. By and large is Axie a very wise interest, incredibly, or so they thought. Axie limitlessness support and opposition levels and so on, which explicitly is genuinely huge. Be that as it may, prior to jumping entirely profound into the Axie specialized examination, basically let us fundamentally discuss the essentially extremely current economic situations, which sort of generally is very huge, which is very critical. Market examination over the genuinely last 24 hours. There generally was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the especially whole digital money market to $1.122.112.304.788 in a quite large manner, or so they thought. The in every way that really matters, all-out exchanging volume especially remains at $22,757,277,610 in a very especially significant manner. Bitcoin shares 46.29% of the entry market, while Ethereum really has a predominance of 16.33% in an essentially most certainly large manner, which basically brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $26,797.21 level after a decay of 0.42%. Exceptionally further appearance how as far as Axie support floor, it in a real sense is presently $10.21 in a very significant manner in a significant way. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum generally has seen a cost increment of 0.12% coming to $1,813.92 during the past 24 hours, which especially is genuinely critical. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $308.52. Following a value change of 0.48% within a similar time period. So Axie certainly has its genuinely next opposition at $11.87 in a quite large manner. XRP, the actually quite local coin of XRP, basically is somewhere near 1.1 and at present exchanging at 46 cents, pretty especially in spite of mainstream thinking. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, which for the most part in a real sense is very huge in an unobtrusive manner. These occasions generally show that the market most certainly is going in an exceptionally descending bearing for fundamentally present moment, which basically is genuinely critical. As of now, a kind of broad really bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market in a significant manner. Axie vastness backing and obstruction backing and opposition for the most part especially or significant specialized pointers used to in every way that really matters. In a real sense recognize all things considered. Key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path, which certainly is very critical. Support essentially truly is a level at which purchasers truly become basically sort of more commonly truly dynamic and most certainly prevent the coin's cost from falling any extremely further in an unpretentious manner. Similarly, opposition generally is a level at which vendors fundamentally really become move exceptionally dynamic and in a real sense certainly prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, which basically is genuinely critical. Following generally sort of are the help and obstruction levels of Axie limitlessness, Axie vastness execution. The especially everyday graph of Axie endlessness in a real sense most certainly shows that the Axie cost basically has a genuinely sort of descending development with a 0.74% reduction in all things considered recent hours, which most certainly essentially is genuinely critical. The value worth of the Axie endlessness coin in a real sense basically is remaining at $6.89 with market capitalization $806,324,608 USD, which generally is very huge, or so they thought. Axie cost changes 0.65% over the course of the week, while the exchanging volume for the most part is drifting around $37,879,425 USD. So the 22nd of May 2023. In this video we will in every practical sense, especially walk you through Axie limitlessness cost examination for now or for the following week and sort of attempt to answer these habitually, especially all things considered. Thought clarification on some pressing issues. What by and large is especially momentary cost expectation for Axie vastness, for the most part really is Axie a by and large wise venture, or so they truly thought. Axie boundlessness value examination Axie cost examination for the 22nd of May 2023 inside a sort of everyday time span basically made sense of underneath in an unpretentious manner. We utilize extremely relative strength index, moving in every practical sense, normal assembly and dissimilarity, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints including exceptionally all things considered, straightforward moving genuinely normal and remarkable moving fundamentally normal to for the most part break down the future development of the Axie boundlessness. Truly further appearance how as far as Axie support floor, it certainly is presently $10.21, or so they in a real sense thought. The Axie limitlessness really has in a real sense break all its in a real sense upholds levels and things all things considered are not looking essentially great for the crypto market, truly in spite of prevalent thinking. Right now, explicitly bears by and large are in charge of the market and effectively generally take Axie cost underneath the essential help level of $10.21 in a sort of significant manner. The MACD line basically is remaining underneath of the in every practical sense. Signal line after a hybrid. Genuinely further appearance how Axie boundlessness value examination Axie cost investigation for the 22nd of May 2023 inside in all things considered. Day-to-day time period sort of especially made sense of beneath in a genuinely significant manner. Axie vastness financial backers need to in every practical sense hang tight for any directional change over the day-to-day outline. So as of now, an exceptionally broad by and large regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market in a for the most part huge manner. RSI suggesting oversold stage while exchanging at 19 and actually truly is attempting to by and large break out of the negative zone while featuring huge negative strength, exhibiting how we utilize genuinely relative strength index, moving fundamentally especially normal assembly and disparity, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints including truly basic moving pretty especially normal and remarkable moving actually quite normal to basically examine the future development of the Axie vastness. Sort of additional appearance how as far as Axie support floor, it especially is presently $10.21, beautiful in opposition to prevalent thinking. While Axie's Williams %R marker for the most part is at 61.794 for the 14-day time span demonstrating an impartial condition. A exchange fundamentally certainly signals sort of fundamentally it's fundamentally truly conceivable at this reach, which in a real sense shows that presently, truly in every practical sense, bears essentially are in charge of the market and effectively explicitly take Axie cost beneath the urgent help level of $10.21, which basically is very critical, ends as per the Axie endlessness cost examination. The by and large bears for the most part have truly neglected to in a real sense sort of take the market downwards, and thus, we for the most part are somewhat genuinely prone to see the continuation of the bullish pattern before long, showing how while